Hello everyone. Today is a very special day for me. I like to share my Vatika journey with you. A journey that has shaped me who I am today. Joining Vatika for me really like a dream come true. I clearly remember when I entered the seventh floor, the reception looked like shiny stars scattered across the floor. I could hardly believe Vatika had appointed me, as I had no formal degree with me. I came here with my experience only. I recall at my final interview with Gautam sir, he asked me about my commitment to Vatika. I assured him I will work for Vatika at least 3 years. Now that 3 years commitment grown into 20 years and more. And my journey began with Vatika in November 2005 as an executive under the leadership of Mr. Anupam Nagalia. I was recruited for a special task to complete pending bank reconciliation for past 1 year and more. I have successfully completed the task well in time and also developed a formula to simplify the bank reconciliation for the future. That's how my journey began with Vatika. It has been an incredible journey of 20 years for me. A strong and lasting relationship, just like Vatika's tagline, creating lasting value. This journey has full of learning, experience, commitment, trust, emotion, and finally the celebrations. Over the year, I have seen Vatika's turnover rise 50 crores to 1600 crores. This is a shiny example of a visionary leadership. Among this journey, I have grown as well. Learning international software like Oracle, Salesforce, and YLab enhanced my knowledge and skills. During the early part of my career, one of my key achievements was successfully handling project accounting. I remember in 2008, when I was moved to project accounting, the project was in full swing and project contractor bill reconciliation and payment, one of the big challenge for every accountant. I condensed that into workbench format and also received appreciation from the MD. Subsequently, Vatika gave me another chance to handle its land bank along with group companies. Managing more than 130 companies reflects my dedication and commitments to my responsibilities. Another proud moment in my journey, being a part of the team successfully implemented Oracle software in the company. During my 20-year tenure, there are many moments I could share. But one incident stay fresh in my memory. While handling contractor bill payment, I had to hold back a contractor bill because its payments exceed the purchase order limit. I suddenly saw Gautam sir and Divya ma'am came at my desk. They came from 4th floor to 7th floor to ensure me purchase order would be revised. They could send someone else to inform me or ask me to come to them. This experience taught me that every task, no matter how small, hold importance and every responsibility contributes to the success of the company. It is also reinforced if you work sincerely, the management will also appreciate your work. I am truly thankful to Mr. Milan Nag, who was my first mentor in Vatika and guided me in the early days of my journey with Vatika. But my journey would have been impossible without George sir. Out of my 2 decade journey, I spent 16 years with Mr. George. His mentorship is truly instrumental in my personal and professional growth, helping me build confidence, refine my skills, and stay calm and focused on continuous improvement. I am also grateful to Mr. Sandeep Bhasin for bringing me into his team and trusting me with new responsibilities. He is a multitasker and provides instant solution, leads by examples. His guidance and confidence encouraged me to take new challenges fearlessly and grow confidently. Even after 20 years, every day they teach me something new. Early in my career, handling complex reconciliation and tight deadline was quite challenging. I tackled this by working hard and developing formulas. Over the time, these challenges became opportunity for my growth, and they taught me the value of problem solving. I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone who has been a part of my journey. My management, Chairman Sir, Gautam Sir, and Divya Ma'am, for their guidance and encouragement. Secondly, Mr. Sharav Gupta, who introduced me to Vatika. My mentors, Mr. Miral Nag, Mr. K.V. George, and Mr. Sandeep Bhasin, for their trust and helping me to achieve these moments. I like to thank my colleagues, Rameshwar, who joined same day as me, Narendra, Vikas, Vinodji, Ravi Kumar, Sompalji, and Shalini Madam, and many more, for their teamwork and support. I am also thankful to other departments like land, HR, taxation, communication, projects, for being a part of this journey. Each of them has contributed their own way, making this journey value and memorable. I owe a big thank to my family, especially my mother, my wife, and my 2 kids, Shruti and Rishabh. I won't be reached this milestone without their support. Working from a long distance, never easy without their encouragement. They give me strength every day. My mantra for success at Vatika is to keep learning, keep improving, and stay connecting with people. I strongly believe when you teach something to somebody, this will help him to grow and also enhance my knowledge too. I have always preferred communicating face to face rather than writing long mails unless it is necessary, because sharing ideas with each other help us to grow together. From an employee point of view, when I talk about Vatika's management, I would like to describe it in 3 phases: opportunities for experience, support beyond work, and lifelong connection. One of the best things about Vatika's management, it provides opportunities even to fresher and experienced holder who are willing to learn. This open-minded approach helped me to grow and build my career. I have seen many examples. The management of Vatika support employees not just professionally but at his personal level. It is my chance to express my heartfelt thanks to Gautam sir for his support during medical illness. He personally called me and ensured I received the support I needed. The word of support from him inspired me a lot and kept me motivating throughout my journey with Vatika. Most remarkable thing about Vatika management, it never leaves its formal employees also. Even after leaving, the company continues to stay connected with them and help them for their bright future. Thank you, Vatika, for being more than a workplace. Thank you for being my family.
Congratulations, Mukesh, on completing 20 years. A few words to describe you as a person. Mukesh is a very, very reliable, trustworthy, and an excellent accountant. But more than that, he's a very nice, easy, and a pleasing personality to work with. Whether it is Sandeep, George, our former Director of Finance, Mr. Nagalia, who still remembers him fondly, or Chairman, or myself, it's so easy to work with him, whether it's his seniors or juniors. And that's really an amazing quality to have. The other thing about Mukesh is that he's very hardworking and punctual. And if you give him any task, his instant response is, ho jayega. Matlab, it's never ki, okay, I want it tomorrow, ho jayega. He will never say that, it can't be done, or, I'm busy with something, which is, what we normally hear. And he's always forthcoming and very, very nice and easy to work with. All the best, Mukesh, and look forward to working another 20 years with you. Cheers.
Hi Mukesh, you are a wonderful person. You look like almost at the age of 35, 40. That means you might have joined the company at the age of 15, 20. It's a great thing. You are actually a very hardworking and sincere and focused. I hope you should be able to celebrate the next 30-year and 40-year celebrations with the company. Wish you all the best. May God bless you.
First of all, many congratulations, Mukesh, for completing 20 years in Vatika. He is one of those guys whom I met on the first day of my joining. One of the good resources we have, a big asset for the company, a very good accountant with good skills. His analysis, his remembrance of the things, and the way he does is one of the best in the company, in the accounts team. And he has been very helpful throughout the investigations, assessments, whatsoever we have done with the outside agencies in getting the data, extracting it, analyzing it, and giving best results. So he is one of those whom you can rely upon, and I wish him many congratulations and will love to spend more time with him in the company and will like him to continue in Vatika. So many congratulations once again.
Hi. I know Mukesh Rawat since beginning when he joined Vatika Group in 2005. It was a time when we started the land purchase, and being a land purchase head, we started land purchase of Vatika India Next, Jaipur, Ambala, and Mukesh Rawat joined in accounts department. He was a young, energetic, and was keen to learn the new things. He handled land reconciliation issues, land purchase issues tremendously, and was keen to learn the new things also. I wish Mukesh Rawat best wishes for completing his 20 years.
So मुकेश रावत के साथ मैं 20 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ. Since the beginning, he's been working for accounting team. पहले लैंड मैनेजमेंट में क्लोजली इन्वॉल्व था. ऑल कंपनीज रिलेटेड अकाउंट्स ही इज़ बीन मैनेजिंग, और आई थिंक बैंक अकाउंट्स आल्सो ही मैनेजेस रियली वेल. नाउ ही इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ द कमर्शियल टीम अंडर संदीप, और ही इज़ रियली वेरी थरो. सिस्टम से रिलेटेड he is really thorough. He is not dependent on anybody, whether it is Oracle, Tally, or now Salesforce. He came to me when he was given the commercial project, and I was really satisfied कि मुकेश देख रहा है, easily approachable. आप 50 बार जाओगे दिन में, आपको कभी मना नहीं करेगा कि सर ये query है, ये he is always there to help you out. जब तक वो satisfied नहीं होगा, वो आपका कोई transaction process नहीं होने देगा. He is a typical accountant जो हर कंपनी को चाहिए होता है. that he would never work under pressure. He would work for 24 hours, but he will not work under pressure. So that's for sure. All the best, Mukesh, for 20 years. Thank you.
Dear Mukesh, congratulations on completing 20 years. You have always supported us and contributed wholeheartedly. Your dedication and positivity have truly made a difference at Vatika.
I have been commuting with the Mukesh for last 2 years. और मुकेश के अंदर एक मैंने चीज़ देखा है कि ही इज़ वेरी पंक्चुअल अबाउट देयर टाइमिंग एंड पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, वर्किंग विद द फुल डेडिकेशन। और वीकेंड पे घर पे भी पूरे फैमिली के साथ कोशिश करता है कि बाहर रहें और अपने होम चोर्स की जो रिक्वायरमेंट होती है वो इक्वली कंट्रीब्यूट करता है, सामान लाना और फैमिलीज के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना। दैट्स गुड फॉर द फैमिली। और वर्क प्लेस पे जहाँ तक की बात है, ही इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट स्पोकन, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग अबाउट द कंपनी। और आई कैन से दैट आई विश हिम फॉर द बेस्ट फ्यूचर with the company.
Mukesh Rawat, a very interesting person. Congratulations, Mukesh, on your 20-year-old milestone. What a commendable journey must have been. What I like about him, his ability to align his work to match the pace of our team goals. Then, he's full of energy, very energetic, and shares a positive attitude. He handles challenges with very calm and composure. And his continued learning approach with a growth mindset will always keep him motivated and successful. So wishing you a very good luck and a very bright future. Thank you.
My friend and colleague Mukesh, congratulations on this incredible milestone. Your 20 years of loyalty and the expertise have made such a difference. It's been a privilege working alongside with you. The milestones, which is a sum of small efforts which you have made during your journey. क्योंकि वो कहते हैं कि हर कोशिश में शायद सफलता नहीं मिल पाती, लेकिन हर सफलता का कारण कोशिश ही होती है. So keep it up.
Mukesh is not just a colleague to me, but a very good friend of mine. We have shared some good time together, not in office but also while commuting together. He is full of positive energy and joy. I wish him all the luck.
Hi Mukesh, congratulations to you for completing your 20 years in Vatika. You are a very energetic person with a smiling face and have a very positive attitude. Another quality of yours is that you are a multitasker. I wish you all the best for your future.
Hi Mukesh, congratulations to complete 20 year in Vatika family. You are very good person and always ready for new tasks. You are excited to do new work and complete gracefully. Thanks, good luck for future.
Mukesh is my buddy, friend and colleague for almost 20 years. We have faced many difficult times in Vatika together. He is very sincere, hard-working, witty and trustworthy. I wish him all the best for future.